Affectionately known as Godzilla, this iconic sports car has been turning heads and breaking records since its debut, and we're here to uncover the secrets behind its legendary status. Hi, and welcome to Engine Junkie. Today we tell you some facts about the R35 you didn't know. The Nissan GT-R R35 is a force to be reckoned with. But what sets it apart from the competition? Join us as we explore every aspect of this automotive marvel. Whether you're a die-hard GT-R enthusiast or simply curious about what makes this car so special, you're right there where you belong. So listen up and let's get right into it. Number 1. Heritage. The story begins with the introduction of the original Nissan Skyline GT-R in 1969, a performance-oriented version of Nissan Skyline sedan designed to dominate the racetrack. With victories in prestigious races such as the Japan Grand Prix and the Bathurst 1000, the Skyline GT-R earned a reputation for its formidable performance and technological innovation. In the years that followed, the Skyline GT-R continued to evolve, with each generation pushing the boundaries of performance and engineering. However, it was the introduction of the GT-R R32 in 1989 that truly cemented the car's status as an automotive legend. With its advanced all-wheel drive system, twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, and aggressive styling, the R32 dominated the racing circuit and became a cult icon among enthusiasts. Today, the Nissan GT-R R35 stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of the Skyline GT-R lineage, embodying the spirit of innovation, performance, and engineering excellence that has defined the brand for decades. Number 2. All-wheel drive. Known as the ATTES, Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for all-terrain with electronic torque split. This sophisticated system is designed to deliver maximum traction, stability, and cornering prowess in a variety of driving conditions. The ATTES system employs a network of sensors and electronic controls to continuously monitor and adjust power distribution to each wheel, ensuring optimal grip and performance. It utilizes a rear-mounted transaxle and a separate transfer case to distribute torque between the front and rear axles, allowing for precise torque vectoring and dynamic weight distribution. One of the key features of the GT-R's all-wheel drive system is its ability to dynamically adjust torque distribution based on various factors such as wheel slip, steering input, and vehicle speed. This allows the GT-R to maintain optimal traction and stability, even during aggressive acceleration, cornering, and braking maneuvers. Number 3. Performance. At the heart of the GT-R R35 is a hand-built twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine, meticulously crafted to deliver relentless power and torque. In its latest iteration, the engine produces upwards of 565 horsepower, catapulting the GT-R from 0 to 60 mph in around 2.9 seconds. With its lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission and advanced launch control system, the GT-R delivers blistering acceleration that rivals some of the world's fastest supercars. But the GT-R R35 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also a formidable performer around corners. Thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system, precise steering, and adaptive suspension, the GT-R offers remarkable agility and stability through twists and turns. On the track, the GT-R R35 truly shines, showcasing its racing pedigree and track-tuned performance. With its aerodynamic bodywork, powerful brakes, and advanced performance features such as adjustable dampers and a customizable traction control system, the GT-R is capable of delivering blistering lap times and thrilling driving experiences for enthusiasts of all skill levels. Number 4. Advanced technology. The Nissan GT-R R35 is a showcase of cutting-edge automotive technology, incorporating a host of advanced features designed to enhance performance, handling, and driver engagement. Complementing the all-wheel drive system is the GT-R's dual-clutch transmission, which provides lightning-fast gear changes and seamless power delivery. Equipped with paddle shifters, the transmission allows drivers to effortlessly control gear changes for maximum performance and efficiency. In addition to its drivetrain technology, the GT-R R35 boasts a range of electronic aids designed to enhance handling and stability. The vehicle's advanced stability control system, known as Vehicle Dynamic Control, continuously monitors inputs such as wheel speed, steering angle, and lateral acceleration to help keep the car planted and composed in challenging driving conditions. Number 5. Aesthetics. At first glance, the GT-R R35 commands attention with its bold and muscular stance. The aerodynamic bodywork, characterized by sharp lines, sculpted curves, and aggressive angles, is not just for show. It's designed to maximize downforce and enhance stability at high speeds. From the iconic quad-circlet taillights to the distinctive hood vents and rear spoiler, every element of the GT-R's exterior design serves a purpose, both functionally and aesthetically. Step inside the GT-R R35 and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for the ultimate driving experience. The driver-focused layout puts everything within easy reach, from the sporty steering wheel with paddle shifters to the intuitive center console with its array of controls and displays. High-quality materials such as premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum trim adorn the interior, creating a sense of luxury and refinement, befitting a car of this caliber. But it's not just about aesthetics. The GT-R R35's interior is also highly functional, with supportive bucket seats that hold you firmly in place during spirited driving maneuvers and a driver information display that provides real-time performance data at a glance. Number 6. Evolution. Of the most significant milestones in the evolution of the GT-R R35 came in 2007 with the introduction of the SpecV and Egoist editions, which featured further performance enhancements and exclusive luxury features. These special editions showcased Nissan's commitment to pushing the limits of performance and luxury in the GT-R lineup. In 2017, Nissan introduced the Nismo version of the GT-R R35, the most extreme and track-focused iteration of the model yet. With upgrades to the engine, aerodynamics, suspension, and brakes, the GT-R Nismo represented the pinnacle of performance for the R35 lineup, setting blistering lap times and earning accolades from enthusiasts and critics alike. Throughout its evolution, the Nissan GT-R R35 has remained at the forefront of automotive technology and performance, continually pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a production sports car. Number 7. Community. One of the defining features of the GT-R R35 community is its inclusivity and camaraderie. Enthusiasts from all walks of life come together to share their experiences, knowledge, and passion for the car, whether it's through online forums, social media groups, or local meetups and events. From discussing performance modifications and tuning tips to organizing group drives and track days, the GT-R R35 community offers a wealth of resources and support for owners and fans alike. Another hallmark of the GT-R R35 community is its dedication to preserving and celebrating the car's rich heritage. Whether it's paying homage to the legendary Skyline GT-R models of the past or sharing stories of memorable drives and experiences, community members are deeply invested in the history and legacy of the GT-R brand. But perhaps most importantly, the GT-R R35 community is a source of inspiration and motivation for enthusiasts to push the boundaries of what's possible with their cars. From DIY projects and custom builds to professional racing endeavors, community members are constantly pushing the limits and challenging themselves to elevate the GT-R experience to new heights. That's the end of the journey. Beyond its impressive specs and capabilities, the GT-R R35 is also a symbol of passion, heritage, and automotive excellence. From its iconic design to its storied racing pedigree, Every aspect of the GT-R R35 speaks to Nissan's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the road and the track. So whether you're dreaming of owning a GT-R R35 of your own or simply admiring it from afar, we invite you to join us in celebrating this iconic sports car and everything that makes it truly special. Thank you for watching, and until next time, your Engine Junkie team.